Issue number 9 alam mingalawa sa pare pamalu pyo 90 lo no aku ကြိုးစားနေစေပေါ့နော် processing လုပ်နေစေပေါ့ဒီစနေပြန်ပေါ့ဆိုတော့အခုပြောင်းချီးမွမ်းဖို့ပြောတဲ့အခါမှာဒီနေ့pamphlet လေးကြည့်တဲ့အခါမှာလေဒီနေ့ကPalm Sunday လည်းဟုတ်တယ် Bible Sunday sorry big building Sunday ဆိုအရင် bless တယ်လေဒီ Sunday မှာဖခင်ရဲ့ဂုဏ်တော်ချီးမွမ်းခြင်းခွင့်ရလို့ဖခင်ရှင်ကျေးဇူးတော်ချီးမွမ်းတယ်အခုချီးမွမ်းမယ့်တစ်ချက်ရတော့ emerging me ကိုတောက်ကြည့်လို့ဆိုရက် English song လေးဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒါကိုအားလုံးအတွက်ပေါ့နော်husband ကနေပြီးတော့ Mizo လိုလေးtranslate လုပ်ထားပြီးတာဖြစ်ပါတယ် As long as the sun shines down from heaven and the rivers run into the sea till the end of time forever. You're the only love I need. In my life, you're all that matters. In my eyes, the only truth I see. When my hopes and dreams are shattered, you're the one that there's for me. When I found you, I was blessed, and I will never leave. I need you, and what's in me without you? I'll be lost and so confused. I won't last a day. I'll be afraid without you there to see me through. And what's in me without you? Lord, you know it's just impossible. Because of you, it's all anew. My life was now blind. I can't imagine me without you. When you crossed me, I was falling. Your love lifted me back on my feet. It was like you heard my calling, and you rushed to set me free. When I found you, I was blessed, and I will never leave you. I need you, and that's in me without you. I'll be lost and so confused. I would last a day. I'll be you, Jesus. 第二次我们开始祷告，是这样子。